Hello and welcome to another Maths Games at Home. Today's game is going to be rounding to the nearest 10, just like yesterday's game, but it will be slightly different. So I'm going to move the camera down to the table. For today's game, you basically just need some bits of paper, some pens. We also need the multiples of 10 numbers from 10 to 100. So that's the counting in tens numbers from 10 to 100. I'm going to pick a card. Now, it's going to be kids versus adults. The children, have got 3 lives. I'm representing the adults. I'll put children there.
Tiny people.
I'm representing the adults, and here are my 3 lives.
Make them bigger.
Now, when I turn over a card, you need to think of a number that would be rounded to that number. So, for example, if I turn over the number 10, you need to think of a number that we would round and it would become 10. It could be 5, you're right. It could be 6, 7, 8. It could be 11. You're not allowed to write the actual number. So you can't write 10, but you need to choose a number that would be rounded either up to 10 or down to 10. I'm going to try and guess which number you write. I think you've got to have 2 guesses. If I can guess any of your numbers with my guess, then you lose a life. You also lose a life if any of the numbers you write down are not correct, if they would not be rounded to that number. So you've got to try and write your numbers without me seeing. Have you got 2 numbers that round to 10?
Not yet.
Right. 2 each. It doesn't matter if they're the same because you're not conferring.
Okay.
If I can guess any of your numbers, then you lose a life. If I can't, tell me when you're ready. I think
I'm ready.
youngest is ready.
I'm ready.
Right, let's reveal. I think someone's chosen 12.
I have got 12.
Uh-oh. That means the children lose a life. Right.
Good.
Next card is being turned over now. I'm going to say, this time just choose one number. And we'll see if that makes it a bit fairer. So everybody ready to see the number? The number. Oh, I did that one upside down for the camera. Sorry, guys. But the next number is 50. So you two have got to think of a number that you would round either up to 50 or down to 50. Just one each. I'm going to try and pick a number that I think you might choose. If I get it right, you lose a life. Will it be a clean sweep? Am I going to win every round? Let's hope so. Is everybody ready? Ready, go. I went for 46.
51. 61.
61 wouldn't be rounded to 50.
I thought it was 60.
In the real game, you would lose a life, but because I'm feeling kind, I'm going to let you off. I didn't pick your number, but I will lose a life for that one. But next time you choose a number that doesn't match, you will lose a life. Right, are you ready for the next number? The next number that you have to choose a number that would be rounded up to it or down to it is 20. Pick a number. I'm going to pick a number. Careful, youngest son. Make sure the number you choose would be. Because there's no more chances.
I know.
Great. Is everybody ready? And hang on, I've just got to circle the one. I've crossed out the ones from my other game. So my choice is 24. What did you choose?
19.
You both chose 19. There's no problem with that. I haven't picked your number, so I lose another life. So you might be able to finish me off with this one, or I might start catching up if I can guess one of yours. The number that you have to choose a number that rounds up to or down to is 40. Remember, I get a point if it's not right. I also get a point if I guess you. Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
And reveal. I've gone for 36.
36.
Awesome. I'm sorry that I have won, which means that we're even Stevens. The children have lost 2 lives, and me, the grown-up, I've lost 2 lives too. Let's see who's going to win. It all comes down to the last one, and the number that you've got to round up to or down to is 90. Can I guess what number you will choose? Is everybody ready? And go. I've chosen 89.
87. 85.
85, 87. I'm afraid I did not guess yours, so the children have won. Well done, children. Sad day for the grown-ups. A very simple rounding game. Enjoy.